How to get list ID or audience ID in MailChimp. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get list ID or audience ID in MailChimp. The question is, how do you get audience ID in MailChimp? The first thing to do is to log in into your MailChimp account. Now, once you're logged in on your MailChimp account, navigate through to the audience page. Now, how do you get the audience page? All you need to do is to move your cursor to the left side of the screen. At the left side of the screen, you will see a list of options such as campaigns, automations, audience and analytics, website, content and integrations. For this tutorial, our focus is on audience. So just go ahead and click on audience. And once you click on audience, a list of options will be displayed again, and then select all contact. All contact. So once you've selected all contacts, yeah, if you have more than one audience, click the current audience drop down and choose the one you want to work with. All right, I only have one audience, so there is no need for that. And then choose the settings drop down and choose audience name and default. Now, if you on this page, you'll see a menu, right? You'll see overview, manage contacts, add contacts, subscriber preferences, and settings. So just click on this. And then once you click on settings, you will see that a drop down menu will appear, and you will see a list of options such as audience name and default, GDPR fields and settings, etc. Just go ahead and select audience name and default. Yes, audience name and default. Yes. So yeah, on this page, you will see audience name and campaign defaults. Now this is my audience name. Especially comes yours could be anything. And then by the right side of the screen, you would see the audience ID section. And then under this audience, on the audience ID section, you will see a string of numbers. Now, where are these string of numbers? As you can see, this is it. And typically, this is what they want. This is the string of numbers here. So this is your audience ID. Very, very simple right here. So this is how you can get list ID or audience ID in MailChimp. Thanks for watching.